Hello, this is Jason Hornung from JH Media. In this video, you're going to discover when you should use the Power Editor versus the Ads Manager with your Facebook ads. And I'm just going to share with you some of the things that we do inside of our ad agency, how we leverage those two different tools to create profitable ads for ourselves and our clients. So it's actually pretty simple. We use the Power Editor as a tool to publish our ads. So the reason we use the Power Editor as a tool to publish the ads is pretty simple. You get a lot of extra features inside of there that you don't get inside of the Ads Manager. Some of the more nefarious ones are when you're creating an ad inside of the Power Editor, you actually get more space for characters on your ad. You can actually put more text into your ad in all of the key areas than you can in the Ads Manager. So if you use Ads Manager to publish your ads, you're actually going to be limiting your ability to get your full message inside of your ad. So that's one major thing. The second major thing is it's much easier to create and duplicate your ads inside of the Power Editor than it is in Ads Manager. So it makes it faster and easier for you to publish and make changes to your ads. So that's what we use the Power Editor for. Now, Ads Manager, we simply use that to optimize and scale our campaigns. So in our daily workflows, after we have launched a campaign, we have processes and systems we go through where we look in the Ads Manager, we sort the reporting, and then based on the data, we make strategic decisions inside of our campaigns. Are we going to turn an ad off? Are we going to scale it? Are we going to leave it alone? We just perform those functions simply within the Ads Manager. Also within the Ads Manager, you can control a lot of the other little settings and things that you're doing, like creating your custom audiences, going into some of the different reporting tools and things like that that Facebook provides for free with all advertising accounts. So that's really the only difference between the Power Editor and the Ads Manager and how we use one versus the other. Now, having said all of that, you should know that as of right now, Facebook is actually combining the Power Editor and the Ads Manager into one. A lot of ad accounts are already having that. Mine was just rolled out recently. So the entire premise of this video may be obsolete by the time that you're seeing it, and all those functions are going to be rolled into one. So if you're seeing that, you don't even see a Power Editor or an Ads Manager, then that would be the case. Just know that now if that's for you, you can perform all these functions in one and it works beautifully, and you don't need to know whether you should use the Ads Manager or the Power Editor because it's all in one. Do you believe that you have to be some kind of great writer in order to put together Facebook ads that convert? Well, I'm telling you, that's actually nonsense. Do you believe that you have to have some kind of mystical settings or know something that will allow you to target buyers properly on Facebook that's just being held from you? Well, that's nonsense too. And do you believe that you actually have to have like really deep pockets with a lot of money to burn in order to test and find out what's actually going to work for you so you can be profitable with Facebook ads? Well, that's nonsense too. Hey, my name is Jason Hornung. I'm the founder of JH Media LLC. We specialize in creating profitable Facebook ads for ourselves and our clients. We've spent over $30 million since 2013 profitably doing so. And what I have for you today is something super exciting that's going to solve all three of those problems for you. You see, what it is it's a free PDF along with 2 videos that's going to walk you through a campaign that we put together for a client that produced over $1 million in revenue at better than a 2-to-1 return on ad spend. On the PDF, what you're going to see is an actual copy of the ad, the full ad, along with a complete breakdown of all the elements of the ad so you can understand why it works and how to put it together for your own business. On top of that, you're going to get a video that walks you through exactly how I did that. So you can see that and you can hear it and you can learn how to apply it into your own business. Then the next thing is you're going to get a second video that'll walk you through what I call our lazy man's guide to targeting buyers with Facebook ads. This is the exact process that we use for ourselves and our clients to find all the profit-producing targets that our tender little hearts desire so that we can put ads like I teach you out to those targets and start to bring in the profits that make the bank account balance go up and up and up. Then the last thing is throughout both of those videos, you're going to actually see how we launch campaigns at as little as $5 a day for testing budgets, and we can find out how things are working and not working turn off our losers, and then scale up our winners so that we can create profitable ad campaigns and get them to the max level of profit as possible. So if that's something that's interesting to you, which I can't imagine why it wouldn't be, all you got to do is you got to click one of the buttons that's here. There should be, if you're on desktop, it'll be like in the lower right-hand corner. If you're on mobile, it'll be in like the upper right-hand corner or left-hand corner. I don't know, I'm probably pointing the wrong area. But either way, you click one of those buttons, it's going to take you out to my page. You can register to receive this PDF and these 2 free videos, and you'll get them delivered to your email instantly so that you can go ahead and you can go through it, you can learn, you can apply it in your business, and you can start making money with your Facebook ads today.